December is nearer than what we think. And I want to ask you something real. Are you ready? Are you ready for December? Not just ready for the weather or the holidays. I mean, are you ready financially? Because let's be honest, when December comes, family wants to visit, kids wants to go out, friends wants to socialize, and you want to enjoy it too, doesn't you? But enjoyment costs money. And every year the same thing happens. We got to December excited. Then reality hits and we say, I'll just survive this month. I'll start fresh in January. But what if this year can be different? What if you start a side hustle now? So by December, you need and could actually enjoy your life. No stress over it. Imagine walking into December earning weekly income, not panic. Imagine buying gifts without guilt. Imagine saying yes to plans without checking your bank balance first. December is coming either way. The question is, will you be ready for it? Start now. Start now. And let this December be the one to enjoy, not endure. If you are interested in to find out what you can do, put a yes in my comments and I will let you know.